Hi everyone, this is Dheeraj Kumar. I am pursuing engineering from Sri Venkateswara College and wearing USN 1VE 20CA039, and today I am going to explain Introduction to SAN Technologies. Before going into the topic's detail, let's understand what is it. First, it stands for Storage Area Network, and it can be defined as a network whose primary purpose is the transfer of data between computer systems and storage elements and among storage elements. Uh, a SAN consists of a communication infrastructure which provides physical connections and a management layer which organizes the connections of storage elements and the computer system so that data transfer is secure and robust. It can also be defined as a storage system consisting of a storage elements, a storage devices, computer systems, and or applications, plus all the control systems communicating over a network. As we can see over here, it is originated in 1980s as as a mainframe solution to storing large amounts of data that was scalable and flexible with high availability. Now let's discuss architecture of SAN. SAN consists of a communication infrastructure which provides physical, as we can see here, physical connection and a management layer which organizes the connections, storage elements, and the computer system so that the data transfer is secure and robust. Centralized and interconnected storage devices which resides in the bottom tier of the traditional three-tiered client-server architecture. A fiber channel is the most widely used SAN technology which uses of its speed, scalability, and the flexibility. A SAN is typically based on one of the two topologies. First, aggregated loop is a classic ring topology, and the second is switched fabric, which provides full duplex communication between all the devices in the SAN. As we can see over here in the first figure, that is server centric storage architecture, we can see over here we have different server over here which will work as a storage system independently. But we can see in the second picture over here, like server first, server second, and the server third over here, and all the three are connected to a storage network, and finally these all are connected to a big storage data which will provide to the user a huge storage systems and a high efficiency for storing and securing the data. Using SAN can potentially offer the following benefits. First, improvements to application availability, uh, higher application performance, centralized and consolidated storage, data transfer and volatility to remote sites, remote copy of data enabled for disasters protections and against malicious attacks, a simplified centralized management, single image of a storage media simplifies management, physical components of connectivity. As we can see over here, the physical connectivity of the components, like over here, uh, hardware elements that connect the host to the storage. Three physical components of connectivity between the host and the storage are the host interface, device port, and the cable. As we can see over here, the host adapter, the cable, a storage, and the finally port. SAN architecture. A storage is accessed at block level, not a file level. Very high performance. Storage is shared. Good management tools. Interoperability issues. Network hardware path components. It includes cabling, fiber, op- fiber optic, and copper switches, hubs, routers, bridges, gateways, port buffers, processors, backplane bus, crossbar, mesh, and memory. Network software path connections components. Access and security, fabric services, routing, flow control, and virtual networking. Storage area networks considerations. Data format. Data can be stored as files or in block format. SAN management architecture. SAN storage level. SAN network level, enterprise systems level. Security. So security in a LAN environment can be complex. When utilizing multiple storage servers, it is critical that one server cannot overwrite another's information. Access control is also extremely important over here. Storage area network management. SAN storage level consisting of a storage devices such as disk arrays, tapes and tape libraries. SAN network level consisting of SAN cables, SAN hubs, SAN switches, inter-switch links, SAN gateways and host bus adapters, that is HBAs. SAN enterprise level. The enterprise systems level essentially ensures the ability to have a single management view and console. Enterprise systems management applications gather and represent all the management data in a single web-based management tool. Data comes from storage devices, networks, and the servers and the desktops. Common interface includes like web-based enterprise, common information model, Java management API, desktop management, and interface. Security level. So it first like minimizes the risk like authentications, authorization, audit. In audit, all administrative changes and significant events are logged to track changes and track problems. Encryptions not yet in widespread use protects both confidentiality and the integrity of the data. Storage area network technology. Currently, it's using fiber channel. Emerging technologies includes ISCSI, fiber channel over IP, over ATM, over SONET, and over dark fiber or DWDM. Fiber channel is the predominant SAN technology since it provides a high-speed non-blocking architecture. Scale from 130 Mbps to 1 Gbps and beyond. Allow different high-level protocols, IP, ATM, etc. to operate over its infrastructure. Can connect nodes up to 100 kilometers over 6 miles. Switches permit multiple devices to be connected via multiple loops, thereby multiple bandwidth, multiple 100 Mbps loop configurations can be managed through the one central point. Storage area network conclusion. It includes benefits for SAN includes like improved application availability, increased application performance, centralized storage, centralized management. Architecture managements are still evolving. Emerging technologies such as FCIP and ISCSI are based on existing proven technologies. SAN components and technologies are being developed which will reduce overall costs. Management will continue to evolve with the goal of supporting a heterogeneous multi-vendor SAN that would work with components from any vendor. And this is all about the SAN technologies and thank you.